Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 8. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform, NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct an English second paper class for the students of class 8. Let's see our today's topic. It is suffix and prefixes, and this is our lecture number 1 and homework number 1 also on our annual term 2021 syllabus. Dear students, what is our today's title? It is suffix and prefixes. Suffix and prefixes. So in these connections, let's start our class with the definition, example and the exercise from the passage. Okay, let's start. At first, suffix. Look at this word. Suffix. Okay. Look, what I have written here, suffix. I am telling you the definition of suffix at first. Actually, suffix represents a word. Suffix represents a letter or a group of letters which are added in a word to make newer word or another. So look at this one. Okay, I am telling you one. I am telling again about the definition of suffix. Suffix represents a letter or a group of letters which are added or which adds in a words to make another words. So look here, suffix. Okay, it is root word or new word. Okay. R is an example of suffix. Okay, if we give this one, give, then new word will be giver. This is the new word. So look at the, okay, look at an example of R. Okay, suffix, then root word is give, and I have added here it will be giver. Okay, another one it will be root word is dive, this diver. Then we had or. R is an example of suffix and or is also an example of suffix. Act, it will be actor. Invent, then inventor. So from this discussion, okay, I can say or we can say that we have, okay, we have got the or we have a clear idea regarding the suffix. Two examples I have given. One is R, another one is or. Okay. Now prefix. What I have written here? Prefix. Okay. In this connection, let's start with the definition. Prefix represents a letter or a group of letters which are added in a word to make new word or newer words. Let's see. Prefix means pre means before, root word and new word. This, okay, this is an example of prefix. This, honest is a root word, so after adding this it will be dishonest. Okay, done. Then it will be another one. Look at the root word, it is obey. And in these connections you can make other words also. It is disobey. Okay, look, done. Then this is done. Okay, another prefix, it is n. Okay, danger. Look at the root word is danger, and after adding n, it will be endanger. Endanger. Reach, it will be enrich. Okay, this is the formation of making new words, adding prefixes and suffixes. So dear students, now I can tell you that you have got the definition of suffix and prefixes, then how to make newer words adding suffixes and prefixes, now clear. Now our last part is, there is a passage, and after adding prefixes and suffixes we will complete it. Let's start. So look, read the text below and fill in the gaps with the root words in the bracket, adding suitable suffix and prefixes. Okay, we have got the definition and some examples to understand it properly. Now passage. Okay, so look, our education remains dash if we do not learn good manners. So look, if we do not learn good manners, this is the thing. Our education remains, so after the verb remains, it will be an adjective word. Okay, what will be the adjective? Okay, look, and complete is also an adjective, but so look, it remains if we use incomplete. This will be the exact word. It is incomplete. It is incomplete. Incomplete. Okay, and here in is an example of prefix. So look, we will write the incompletes. Done. Number 1, our education remains incomplete if we do not learn good manners. Next, in our behavior with others, we must be dash with others. So here the given word in bracket is respect. Must be, mind it. Whenever the patterns will be like, after must there will be be verb, it will be the past participle form or the adjective word. So what will be the adjective of respect? It is respectful. We must be respectful. Okay, in our behavior with others, we must be respectful. Okay, we should never dash with anybody. So look, we should never dash. Okay, the opposite of behave is misbehave. Okay, you know this because misbehave. Okay, behave. We'll write here misbehave. We should never misbehave. Misbehave with anybody because our dash may hurt others. Okay, look, conduct. Conduct is a given word. Okay, we will write here conduct. It is misconduct. Same thing. Because our misconduct, misbehavior. Okay. Same prefix, misconduct. Here prefix is mis. Misconduct may hurt others. We should not create any dash quarrels with others. So look at the word. Necessary is the given word. What will be the answer? Exact answer it will be unnecessary. Okay. Here un is an example of prefix. Unnecessary. N-E-C-E. You will write the spelling properly. Okay. C number is unnecessary quarrel with others. Next, the dash of good manners is dash. So look here. The dash of good manners is. So dear students, one thing, after article the, we will use the noun formation of the. If there is a single word, we will use the noun formation of this word. Important is an adjective. Okay. What will be the noun of this word? It will be importance. Follow me. Importance. T-A-N-C-E. So mind it, whenever the letters like A and C will be added at the end of a sentence, it will be a noun form. It is importance of a good manners is dash. Is is, it will be measurable. It is immeasurable. Then measurable. Here im is an example of I am, of prefix here also immeasurable. Only you will add I am, okay, with the given word, then it will be immeasurable. Next, real is given in bracket, a man of good manners is a gentleman. So look at this one, it will be real is given, a man of good manners is a gentleman. Here we will use an adverb. What is the adverb of real? Is reality, or not, it is really, adverb, REALLY. Really, a man of good manners is a gentleman. We should try to learn good manners from our dash. So look here, from our dash, okay, what will be the noun of this, okay, word child? It will be childhood, boyhood, friendhood, like this one. This childhood. Noun what? After our, okay, after this possessive case, our, we will use the noun word. It is childhood, CHILD, then HOOD. Okay, look at this one. Okay, here we have got the example of suffix CHILD, child, given what, then hood. Okay, look, hood. Okay, this is an example of suffix. What is it? It is an example of suffix. And grow up dash. So look, and grow up proper is given. Okay, we will use an adverb here. It will be properly. What is it? Properly. Proper, given what, or root what, we will use ly. Here ly is an example of suffix. Okay, I am writing properly. Okay, I am reading the passage again with the answer. Give your close attention. Our education remains incomplete if we do not learn good manners. In our behavior with others, we must be respectful with others. Okay, we should never misbehave with anybody because our misconduct may hurt others. We should not create any unnecessary quarrels with others. The importance of good manners is immeasurable. Really, a man of good manners is a gentleman. We should try to learn good manners from our childhood and grow up properly. So, dear students, our last section is homework, and this is your first homework. Okay, you will pick up the passage, write the whole passage, and in the blank you will write the answer like me. Nobody will write only answer. You must pick up the passage, and in the gap you will write the answer like me. So, dear students, with this I have finished our today's class. I hope that all of my students of class 8 have understood the definition, the examples, and the answer in a passage of suffixes and prefixes properly. And one important thing, if you have any questions regarding our today's class or query regarding our today's class, please write me in the comment section. Inshallah, I will give the answer of your questions. See you again, and do your homework properly. Assalamu alaikum.